Hey guys, what's up? It's Bash here again, and this time we're talking about how to add smoke bombs into your Photoshop pictures. So this is quite an easy process. All you need to do is go down into the description below and click on the link to download the brush, and then I'll explain exactly how to install it on our laptops or computers at home for you guys, and then we can get right into it. So now that we're on the laptop, the first thing we need to do is go into the description below, click on the link and download the brush. So I'm going to be walking you through how to install the brush on Mac, and I'll try and explain how to do it on Windows, but I have a Mac so I can show you exactly how to do it on a Mac, and I'll walk you through it. So the first thing you need to do is open Photoshop and install the brush. So I'll leave steps down below for Mac and Windows on how to install the brush, and all you guys have to do is follow those steps. And once you've installed the brush, I'm going to walk you through how to use the brush exactly. So the first thing we're going to do is add a little smoke canister into the hand of this woman, and once we've done that, we can get right into adding the smoke. So to add the smoke, the easiest way to do it is select the color of the smoke you want and just place it down the size and direction you want it in. So once you've done that, you're going to need a little bit of smoke residue, so you're going to have to turn down the opacity of this layer. So select a new layer and then lay down another smoke layer, and once you've done that, turn down the opacity slightly so that it looks like a bit of smoke residue. You can also mask this out using your own method, but I just prefer to use a brush and just mask it out slightly. Once you've done that, you've got a completed picture. All you have to do is grade it in Lightroom or whatever grading software you use, and you're done. So this was a really quick tutorial. I hope you guys did enjoy it, and for many more tutorials, if you have any suggestions, leave them down below. If you think this applies to anyone that you know, please do send them the link to my video and share it with your friends. If you do like this video, please leave a like down below and make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.